Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 20, Quranic Verses, Sincere Advice. I give you sincere advice. Al-A'raf, 762. I am a trustworthy counselor to you. Al-A'raf, 768. Hadith number 103, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Iman, 95. Abu Ruqayya Tamim ibn Aus ad-Dari, may Allah be pleased with him, reported the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The religion is good counsel." We said, "For whom?" He said, "For Allah, His Book, His Messenger, the Imams of the Muslims and their common people." Hadith number 104, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Iman, 42. Sahih Muslim, Iman, 97. Jarir ibn Abdullah, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I gave allegiance to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, on the basis of performing the prayer, paying the zakah, and giving good counsel to every Muslim. Hadith number 105, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Iman, 7. Sahih Muslim, Iman, 71. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, None of you can truly be said to believe until he wants for his brother what he wants for himself.